BMNR is trending down 10.99%. This is Monday, the 15th of December, 2025, post market session. Volume in this session, I think, up by around 30%. Yes, up by around 30%. Okay. Volatility is expected to decrease somewhat in the coming days. So let's see what we have. In terms of what we have here, the stock got a bounce as of as of the 21st of November, just like the broader AI software and crypto asset stocks. They got a bounce, but got a rejection right on its 40-day moving average. This was possibly on Wednesday the 10th, yes. Yeah, and then it's been declining. So this is the third straight session of losses for BMNR, and the extrapolation we have here is saying that it might continue to do so towards the 17th, 20, towards the 27th of January. As things stand right now, projections are currently saying 38.03, 42.72, 49.74, 54.09. Okay. Yeah, let's see now. We could try and see what the market grid is going to give us in terms of its potential price range. But before that, we'll try and see what I printed any intraday low here. Let's see. Okay, let's see whether it's still within its market grid. So it's currently at 31.0. Current price 31.03. Okay, so it's trading outside of the market grid. So maybe it might be trading within the grid on a 4 hour chart. Yes, it is within that grid. So we have here between the grid is between 32.98 and 28.9. So it's at 31.03. So yeah, this is where it is. So the odds of it testing 30.46 is actually there. Yeah. So on this 4 hour chart, it's expected to continue to decline up till the close of tomorrow's trading session. Then after that, it might be a sideways movement up till Wednesday, the close of Wednesday. So further declines for another trading session, and then another trading session of consolidation. All in all, it's just volatility that is what is being extrapolated with further contraction coming up from the 23rd of December. The 40 period moving average is also extrapolated to keep declining to stall any attempt to bounce. Projections are saying 37.15 currently, but before now, it had 41.84, 44.94, 46.81. Yeah, let's see. The stock is trending. Let's find out what the sentiment is.
Bitmine Immersion Technologies, BMNR, is trending as heightened volatility across the crypto market, especially in Ethereum, ETH, continues to drive sharp swings in the stock. Increasingly, BMNR is being treated by traders as a leveraged proxy for ETH, meaning its moves often magnify Ethereum's gains and losses. As ETH pulls back from recent highs, BMNR has come under pressure, reigniting debate over whether the latest dip represents a high conviction buying opportunity or a warning sign of further downside. Community sentiment is notably divided. Bullish investors argue that the sell off is overdone, pointing to Bitmine's aggressive Ethereum accumulation strategy as a long term tailwind. They believe that as ETH adoption expands through institutional inflows, staking growth, and broader on chain activity, BMNR's growing ETH treasury could reprice the stock significantly higher, especially if the next crypto uptrend takes hold. From this perspective, current weakness is viewed as accumulation rather than capitulation. On the other side, bearish and frustrated voices are becoming louder. Some investors are openly questioning the credibility of optimistic price forecasts from high profile supporters like Tom Lee, particularly after repeated pullbacks that have followed bullish calls. Critics argue that BMNR's heavy reliance on ETH price appreciation leaves shareholders exposed to prolonged drawdowns if the crypto market remains unstable, and they worry that the company lacks sufficient operational diversification to cushion against volatility. Adding to the debate is scrutiny of Bitmain's Ethereum accumulation strategy itself. Supporters see it as a bold, conviction driven approach that could pay off dramatically in a sustained ETH bull cycle. Skeptics counter that continued accumulation during periods of market weakness could deepen unrealized losses in the short term and amplify downside risk if ETH breaks lower. Overall, BMNR sits at the center of a classic high beta trade off: outsized upside if Ethereum rebounds sharply versus heightened downside if crypto volatility persists. With ETH direction still uncertain, investors remain locked in a tense wait and see mode, closely tracking price action, sentiment shifts, and any signals that might clarify whether Bitmain's strategy will ultimately reward patience or test it further.
Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.